Yes,
Writing
sir.
selenium test cases. Prerequisites, Tangina.
Okay, sir.
Prerequisites for writing
Selenium test cases.
selenium test cases. Selenium test cases.
Yes.
Here we are discussing mandatory requisites. Optionals also there. Best practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mandatory. What are the mandatory prerequisites?
Set up the environment.
Pardon?
Setting up the environment.
Setting environment. See, for writing selenium test cases, selenium environment is required. Selenium environment is required, but that is not feature of selenium. That is arrangement.
Okay.
See, manual test case. Source required now?
Yes, sir.
Or user story. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, element locators. Element locators. What is the purpose of element locators?
To identify the element.
To locate.
Element.
To locate or recognize or identify
Web
elements in our web pages. Next, Selenium WebDriver methods. What is the purpose of, all of you put mute except Khan? Tell me, Khan, what is the purpose of Selenium WebDriver methods? Khan, purpose of Selenium WebDriver methods in Selenium testing. Selenium testing means testing using Selenium. Okay. Suman.
Perform actions on?
Perform actions
on elements.
On
web element.
See, perform actions on the web elements. Web elements. Next, in Selenium documentation, Nirupama, you can find term perform actions on AUT. Perform actions on AUT. AUT stands for
application under testing.
Good. Application under testing. Just a minute. Documentation. Selenium installation also important, but that is not Selenium feature, that is arrangement. Locating elements. Next, performing the actions on AUT. AUT means application under test. Application under test means here we perform actions on web elements only. Okay. Next.
Executing the test cases.
Programming concepts also required. Programming concepts for enhancing, Seniram, observe, enhancing test cases. Observe Sriniram. We use programming syntax for writing our Selenium test set. That is clear. Next, second one. Suppose in our test cases, we use any data. For that, we use programming data types and variables for storing that value, for handling that data.
Correct.
Suppose in our test cases, if we use any reusable components, reusable functions, we use programming. Next, for parameterization, we use programming. For repetitive code execution, we use programming.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more important one, Nirupama, important one. For handling runtime errors in our test cases, we use
Yes.
programming
Exception.
exception handling, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
No direct exception handling mechanism from Selenium WebDriver. Getting?
Yes, sir.
For example, if it is UFT tool, UFT has exception handling mechanism. You can use UFT exception handling mechanism, or you can go for VB script logic also for handling runtime errors. But UFT is having exception handling mechanism. What is that one?
I'm not aware, sir.
You know UFT na?
Sir, I don't really remember anything. It's been a long time.
No problem. Farjana,
Yeah.
I think Farjana can answer.
Recovery scenario, sir.
Yes, recovery scenarios, Farjana. Recovery scenarios. Using recovery scenarios, we can handle most of the runtime errors in UFT. But Sriniram, in our Selenium doesn't have any built-in features. It is just the API, programming interface. It doesn't have exception handling mechanism. Built-in exception handling mechanism, built-in result reporting facility, built-in object repository facility. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Using programming, we can handle runtime errors. Okay? So, for enhancing test cases, these four are core. Next, Tangina told. Observe Tangina. Before
Yes,
this
sir.
one, Tangina, before this one,
Yes.
Selenium setup, Selenium
Environment setup.
test environment,
Just
test environment setup, test environment setup.
setup.
Here we need to configure the Selenium. Next, any other arrangements, Sriniram?
That is for the framework, sir. TestNG involved
Framework is framework after this one. Before I am
for
asking.
reporting. Oh, before. Okay.
And one more thing, framework is optimized way, but that is not mandatory, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Using programming, you can insert verification points.
Correct.
See, in our Selenium chapters, we use programming conditional statements only for inserting verification points. But in future, I will add a testing framework. That is best practice.
Okay, sir.
Suppose
So how about
Maven is there. Maven integration is not mandatory. Manually, you can set up the environment and maintain the environment. If you integrate Maven with Selenium, then it can easily set up your environment and maintain that environment. Tell me, Sriniram, you are trying to ask.
Yeah, if it is prerequisite means then Java environment setup needed, right? JDK.
Java environment setup is part of Selenium environment now.
Okay, so if it is part,
See,
it's okay.
Part, just observe. In our training program, we discussed Java, then Selenium. That's why first we focused on Java environment setup. Then we added Selenium, isn't it?
Right. Okay.
But in real time, that programming environment setup part of Selenium environment
Selenium.
setup.
Okay, then it will include. Okay. That's fine.
Include. Okay. Next, anything else, Nirupama, guess? Now observe, as per the Selenium official website sequence, Selenium installation. Selenium installation means Selenium test environment setup. Next,
Selenium
this
library.
is not installing WebDriver. These all these part of environment setup.
Selenium. Yeah.
Environment setup. Next, here observe.
Web drivers. Web drivers.
This is required now. Third-party drivers and plugins.
Yes, sir.
We use a driver executable files, browser driver executable files now.
Yes, sir.
Then locating elements, performing actions on the elements. Okay. Say browser drivers. Observe, Srinira. Without browser driver, we can't. Selenium can't communicate with web application now.
Correct, sir.
So browser drivers. Next, after our prerequisites, now observe. Testing framework. Testing framework. It is for prioritizing test cases, grouping test cases, executing test
For
cases.
reporting.
Without framework also you can execute. Without testing framework also you can execute test batches. I will show you this chapter, writing Selenium test cases chapter. It takes nearly 10 to 12 hours. But with the testing framework, it is an optimized way. Say primary purposes of testing framework, either JUnit or TestNG in our scenario. And one more thing for Jana, testing framework selection depends on programming platform. Suppose if you
Yes,
select Java for Selenium, then supported frameworks are JUnit or TestNG. In our training program, we are using TestNG. TestNG is advanced one, inspired by JUnit only. If you know TestNG, then you can easily adapt JUnit. If you know JUnit, then that is also TestNG also easy to adapt. Okay. Next, if you use Python for Java, Python for Selenium, then supported frameworks are PyUnit, etc. So that depends on programming platform. Okay, testing framework. For actually we call in single word Sriniram testing framework as test runner. Test runner. Okay. Here prioritizing test cases, grouping test cases, creating test batches, executing test batches, and important one,
Reporting.
generating
Reports.
result reports. Generating results. Why? Our Selenium doesn't have built-in result report facility. Next, see,
Maven built.
TestNG framework. Okay, Maven. It is purely optional. Maven for
Build tool.
build automation tool for Java developers. In our scenario, say TestNG framework also unit test framework for Java developers. But in our scenario, we use testing framework as TestNG framework as test runner. Next, Maven also build automation tool for Java developers. But in our scenario, test environment setup and maintenance. Here you can ask one question, Sriniram. Without Maven also we can set up the environment manually.
Okay.
Download and install manually. But with Maven, that is best practice that we will discuss in project module. Okay. Remaining all are optional.
Optional.
See,
Jenkins.
Jenkins. What is that one? Result plugin for Jana extend reports.
Extended.
Extend, sir.
Pardon?
Yes, sir. Extend report, sir.
Extend reports.
Ports.
It is for enhancing the test result. You can capture screenshots for failed steps, etc.
Yes, sir.
This is the complete picture, Sriniram. But
Okay, sir.
I think these two we already did now.
Yes.
Next, I will show this one, mandatory requisites. In future, we will add testing framework, Maven, etc. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First, observe time.